Alright guys, back on the dyno here. So this is a 117 Lowrider ST, Star Racing 3030 cam, D&D exhaust, S&S Pushrods, S&S lifter cuffs. This was tuned with a power vision and very happy with the results. So we ended up with 118 horse, 141 torque. Really nice. The graph looks really good. This is our air fuel ratio. That one gets a little lean. Overall pretty good. So there you go. Very pleased with this cam. We use this cam a lot. We want to thank George Bryce over at Star Racing. He makes great products. We're getting ready to build a 128 using this 3/4 cam. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that build. Once again guys, thanks for watching. We have a lot of cool videos coming soon.